So we're in Fresno, California. We're going to write a proposal for this water heater. Right now we have an active leak down to the bottom. So what we have proposed is a 40-gallon Bradford White. It's the 240, not the 140, so it's not the skinny. It's got the full 2-inch insulation. Starting at the bottom, we want to shorten up this little gas pipe stub out right there, and then additionally get them a new gas valve. That valve right there is prone to leaking over a period of time. And then, of course, a brand new supply line over to the gas valve. Bottom third adjustable strap. Upper third adjustable strap, and then existing relief line is going away. The new relief line will be on top of the tank. Of course, we'll pipe it back over and go right back down to the hole. We want to use CPVC. That way, if the homeowner decides they want to go ahead and take it out to the sidewall out there and dump it, they certainly can. Just with the PVC cutters and glue, or CPVC, it doesn't matter. They're PVC cutters, but just CPVC fittings and then PVC glue. Up here on the top, we'll go ahead, we'll change out this valve, put a brand new quarter turn full port ball valve here, and then we do want to leave them a T. That right now they've got a tap fitting on the iron pipe nipple. Don't like those. Those begin to leak over a period of time, so we're going to abandon that. Give them a brand new 3/4 by half T. Excuse me, and then a 1/2-inch adapter to get them down to a 3/8 compression fitting. So all it's going to be is a half, actually I think it's a quarter. Looks like 1/4-inch tubing. So we'll bring both fittings and make sure, and then we'll bring them that fitting as well. So it's going to be a 1/2-inch male iron pipe here by 1/4-inch compression. We'll go ahead and bring a compression coupling as well, because it has the sleeve and the ferrule or the integrated nut and ferrule that comes with it, just to make sure this is going to fit. We won't hook this up to it, but we will put a separate shutoff valve here, so 1/2-inch, another full port ball valve, the adapter, and then they can tie this in and just cinch it up, and they're good. Reason why is this is plastic line. We don't want to tie into this because we're responsible for this manufacturer's product. We don't know whose it is. So we'll do that. Then also the supply lines. Those are going to be corrugated stainless steel, similar to here but not copper. So brand new, hot and cold, and then brass connectors off the top of the tank. So all solid brass, even though the home is galvanized pipe. We're not going to put any iron pipe back in because it corrodes from the inside out and it stops the flow. So once we're done on our portion, it'll all be brand new flow. We're going to leave this vent pipe in place. It's a dual wall B vent. And of course, if it ends up being a little short, we'll take a single wall vent, which by code we only need 6-inch clearance. So we'll put that on the new draft diverter, get it tied back in here, and that is it. So did I miss anything? Everything sounds by what we talked about. So what we'll do is we'll get a proposal written up, get it sent out, and if you like it, we go ahead and draw up a contract, send it out to you, get it signed, and get this thing installed for you.